Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutzell speaking, and in this video, we are going to look at the edit features for the Google Docs series, specifically edit feature number 1, undo. With that being said, let's begin. So, all edit features are under the Edit tab in your Google Doc. To find undo, all one has to do is left click on Edit and then the undo button will be at the very top. So for example, let's say I type in another word, but I didn't mean to do that. I can click on Edit and then click undo in order to remove that word. This can also be used to remove accidental deletions or any other alterations to a Google Doc. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.